Good morning guys, and in front of me is RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo contact on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer and go to Contacts if you are not in this panel. Mark and select Edit. Here just click on Add Picture and select either some monogram, one from illustrations, or one from your device photos. You can open camera and grab photo right now, or you can pick something from your gallery. And zoom it in. You can rotate it if you want. Let me do it this way. Tap on Choose and mark Save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, the photo is assigned to this contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.